Japanese heavy machinery manufacturer Takeuchi is perhaps best known for introducing the first ever mini excavator to the global market, but its range of compact track loaders has also gained a reputation in recent times. One of its latest releases, the TL12V2 rubber-tracked loader, is setting new standards in the market, with Takeuchi claiming it to be the largest and most powerful in its class. In Australia, the Takeuchi brand is distributed by Samco Equipment, based in the Sydney suburb of St Mary's.
This particular one is the V represents vertical lift. So this is a vertical lift machine, the first one in the range, and there will be more coming through, smaller ones that will have that kind of a feature as well. Another noteworthy thing here is the capacity of this machine, the safe working load they call it, or the operating capacity. In fact, this is only rated at 35% of its capability, so it's very conservatively rated. The reason is that we like to have the loaded mass in the bucket and have the gross mass distributed over the full length of the undercarriage, so that the weight is distributed evenly, and that way all of the track components are carrying a fair share of the load rather than put all the load over the front. But this is the largest capacity machine in the world, bar none.
A high-flow hydraulic system allows operators to run a series of attachments via a hand console that offers fingertip control of all functions. A wider cabin retains the look and feel that most operators are used to, Takeuchi says.
The cabin of the Takeuchi is quite interesting because it still retains the old-fashioned, if you like, hydraulic servo controls. They have not gone to electronic controls. The hydraulic controls are low-pressure hydraulic servos, exactly the same as you have in a hydraulic excavator. And the beauty of those is that they are not fly-by-wire, they're not high-tech, they're easily maintained and repaired and very, very reliable, and also they give the operator an excellent feel of the controls of what's going on the machine. Now this machine has a suspension seat, you can see here. It's a full-size suspension seat, okay? So even the biggest operator in the world can basically fit in this machine. This machine's now 75 mils wider on the inside than the previous model. And you can see the head height here is pretty impressive.
Safety was also a key consideration for Takeuchi when designing the machine, with high-level protection structures fitted to allow the machine to carry out the most demanding of tasks.
Up here we have the usual ROPS FOPS cab, but this machine also has level 2 FOPS, which is the highest level of falling object protection. So this machine is capable of working in a forestry situation or a quarry or a mine without any further modification. It has the highest safety standard that you can have in the world. This is the rear end of the machine where all the action happens. On these new machines, the air conditioning condenser is now built into the hood there, and release the grill here, it swings out. It has a safety latch, and the way the machine is designed, this entire radiator here with 2 bolts will swing right out so that you can get access in here to blow out dust and debris from time to time.
The Takeuchi TL12V2 track loader comes standard with a heavy-duty 4-in-1 bucket and retails for about $140,000 including GST.
Takeuchi, hard to say, easy to operate, and if you don't believe me, talk to the guys that own them.